Imagine unlocking a secret that can supercharge your metabolism, sharpen your focus, and build unshakable resilience, all hidden in the chilling embrace of ice. In today's video, we'll explore how cold showers, ice baths, and winter outdoor activities can transform your body and mind. Hello, health champions. This is Vitality Bliss, your go-to channel for natural health and wellness tips. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand the transformative power of cold exposure, but also know exactly how to start integrating it into your daily life, safely and effectively. Let's dive in. Let's kick things off by exploring the fascinating science behind cold exposure. You might think of fat as that stubborn stuff we're all trying to lose, but not all fat is created equal. Enter brown fat, a built-in calorie-burning powerhouse your body already has. Think of brown fat as the thermostat of your metabolism. When exposed to cold, it springs into action, generating heat through a process called thermogenesis. Studies have shown that brown fat activation can increase your calorie burn by up to 30%, even while you're resting. Imagine burning more calories just by exposing yourself to a little chill. Cold exposure triggers a surge of norepinephrine, a hormone that acts like a mental espresso shot. It sharpens your focus, reduces stress, and elevates your mood. Remember that refreshed, invigorated feeling after splashing cold water on your face? Now imagine that multiplied tenfold across your entire body. Cold showers are the easiest way to get started with cold exposure. Think of it as dipping your toes into the ice-cold waters of transformation, literally. When that cold water hits your skin, your circulation improves instantly as your blood vessels constrict and then dilate to warm your body. This boosts oxygen flow to your cells, enhances recovery, and even gives your metabolism a little kickstart. But the real magic? The mental benefits. Cold showers train your mind to embrace discomfort. It's like doing a workout for your willpower. Start small. Add just 30 seconds of cold water to the end of your shower. Over time, you'll find yourself feeling more focused, more in control, and ready to take on challenges. And if you think cold showers are impactful, wait until you hear about the big leagues. Ice baths. Let's talk about ice baths, the gold standard of cold exposure. Picture this. After a grueling workout, you step into a tub filled with icy water. At first, it's shocking. Your body protests. But as you focus on your breath and settle into the moment, something incredible happens. Ice baths are known for reducing inflammation, relieving muscle soreness, and improving circulation. No wonder athletes swear by them. But the benefits don't stop with the body. Immersing yourself in ice water forces you to confront discomfort head-on, building a mental toughness that spills over into every area of your life. Start slow, just 1 or 2 minutes at a time. Focus on deep, steady breathing to stay calm. Over time, you'll not only adapt to the cold, but thrive in it, coming out with a renewed sense of accomplishment. Cold exposure doesn't have to be a chore. In fact, it can be downright fun. Imagine bundling up and heading out for a brisk walk in the crisp winter air, or tackling a snowy hiking trail with friends. Activities like these combine movement, fresh air, and the invigorating chill of winter, giving you all the benefits of cold exposure without feeling like you're working out. Plus, winter sunlight offers a bonus, a natural dose of vitamin D. It's like nature's multivitamin, essential for mood regulation and bone health. So grab your scarf, gloves, and boots and head outside. Your body and mind will thank you. The most powerful benefit of cold exposure isn't physical, it's mental. Facing the discomfort of the cold teaches you to stay calm under pressure. Whether it's the shock of an ice bath or the chill of a winter breeze, you learn to control your response, building resilience and focus. Cold exposure also releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that leave you with a natural high. Over time, this practice enhances mental clarity, sharpens your focus, and makes you more adaptable to life's challenges. Ready to try it for yourself? Here's how to start safely. Cold showers. Begin with 30 seconds of cold water at the end of your shower, gradually increasing over time. Ice baths. Start with just 1 or 2 minutes in icy water, focusing on deep, steady breathing. Winter activities. Dress in layers, protect exposed skin, and move at a pace that keeps you warm but not overheated. Listen to your body. Stop if you feel numbness or pain. Safety always comes first. Consistency is key. The more you practice, the more benefits you'll see, both in your body and your mind. Whether it's a refreshing cold shower, a challenging ice bath, or a snowy hike that fills you with joy, the power of ice is undeniable. Thank you for joining us today on Vitality Bliss. Tell us in the comments, how will you start your cold exposure journey? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest health tips.